Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the hardware and toggling core services. Open Device Manager, find your Bluetooth adapter, and confirm it's enabled. If disabled, enable it now. Then open Settings and toggle Bluetooth off and on, and briefly toggle airplane mode to reset wireless radios. Remove any stale or duplicate paired devices that could cause address conflicts. Once done, restart your PC to reload drivers and services so Windows can reinitialize the Bluetooth stack and give us a clean state to work from. Next, focus on software layers, drivers, and services. In Device Manager, update the Bluetooth adapter driver. If a recent update broke connectivity, use Rollback driver. If available, download the vendor's driver for your adapter or laptop for greater compatibility. Open Services, restart Bluetooth support service, and set its startup type to automatic, delayed start, so it starts reliably after boot. Make sure Windows Update has no pending optional updates for Bluetooth or chipset drivers, because those often contain fixes the generic driver lacks. Finish by using built-in tools and targeted resets. Run the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter to apply common fixes automatically, and inspect Event Viewer for service or driver error messages that point to the root cause. If problems persist, uninstall the Bluetooth adapter in Device Manager and reboot to force a clean reinstall, or perform a network reset in settings to restore network-related components. One key tip: test pairing with a different known good device. If USB 3.0 interference is suspected, try moving the adapter or disabling problematic USB ports temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.